Lettuce is coming along. There's a black-seeded Simpsons, one of my favorites. That one's ready to harvest, but I'm picking baby lettuce today. Then I have these beautiful Merlot. Look at the color on that. That is an early Jersey Wakefield cabbage. That's coming along great. These, I believe, are tangos. Next to that tango, I have a Volunteer Purple Lady Bok Choy. These here are my frises. And probably in a week or two I'll put dinner plates on them to blanch them because they're kind of a bitter salad green, but the blanching takes away some of the bitterness. Alright, let's go to the other guy. Danish ball cabbage. These are real or super red romaines. Some oak leaf lettuce over there. There's another Merlot. And then over there, that one's getting big. I can't remember the name of that one. I said I was going to harvest some baby lettuce, and I certainly did. I have a nice basket full. It's beautiful. And I go in the house and wash it. And that comes from my green stock. And I picked from the bottom row here. So next week I'll go back to the top row. And then that row. And then eventually it gets pulled out to make way for summer vegetables. I have a good lettuce game, I have to say that.